Let's make some ripped jeans for a doll. Using some old jeans that are sort of stretchy. I take a piece of the fabric and fold it in half. I measure it to about 7.5 inches and then cut there. Near the top, I draw a line that curves down that's at about 2¼ inches long. Cut this line out. Unfold it and then cut it in half. If you wanted to have working pockets, then take one of the pieces and then cut out a piece of the corner that you want the pocket to be. Repeat this all again so that you have 4 pieces. I take the pieces that have the pocket holes cut and fold over the edge and use fabric glue, or you can sew it. Next I cut a small square and put some fabric glue around the edges and then put it behind the pocket. I do the same thing on the other piece. Once these are dry, I line up the curved edge with the good sides facing each other and sew along it. I also line up the curved edges on the pieces without pockets with their good sides together and sew along that curved part. I take these 2 pieces and line them up and sew from the part where the pocket is to the bottom. Before sewing it together along the middle, I fold over the bottom of the leg and sew across. Before sewing the other side together, I open it up, cut a thin strip, and put a piece of elastic in the middle, and then fold it. I line up the folded end with the end of the jeans. Cut off the extra. I also cut the extra fabric off both ends, but leave the elastic. And then fold it up to make a waistband. Tie the elastic ends together and then trim off the extra. Now sew along the remaining outside. Then I sew along the inside. Cut off the extra around the inside. You can leave it like this and turn it inside out, or you can cut small holes, then turn it inside out, and use a needle to pick at it and make it look more ripped. Or you can cut the holes. Take some mesh from a fruit thing, paint it. Once it dries, I cut a small square and glue it around to make a pair of jeans for a doll in a couple of different styles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and have such a thought on what kind of videos you want to see. Also follow us on Instagram. See you next time. Can't wait to try these new truffles from the bakery.
Whoa! Magna wants food!
Icicle, give that back. I know it's you.
Magna went that way!